Is your FIAT 500's alarm constantly blaring? Let's troubleshoot the most common culprits. The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches. These detect if the car is opened, and if they're dirty, misaligned, or corroded, they can send false signals to the car's computer, triggering the alarm. If the siren sounds weak or intermittent, especially in older models, the siren's backup battery is likely depleted and needs replacing. A quick clean with electrical contact cleaner and ensuring proper alignment can often resolve switch issues. Apps like Torque Pro can also help diagnose sensor issues. Once you've identified the problem with your FIAT 500 alarm, try a simple reset. The first method is cycling the ignition key. Turn it to the on position and back to off several times. Another effective reset is disconnecting the car's battery. Remove the negative terminal cable and wait 30 minutes before reconnecting. This clears any electronic glitches in the alarm system. User forums often recommend lubricating the door pins as a DIY fix. This prevents false signals from misaligned switches that can trigger the alarm. If the problem persists after resetting and lubrication, consider replacing the affected switch or the siren battery. For older FIAT 500 models, DIY fixes are common due to supply chain issues delaying parts. Online communities like Reddit's r/FIAT offer step-by-step guides and video tutorials for these fixes. Remember to check your work by ensuring the alarm issues stop after troubleshooting.